Victor, and in this presentation I will talk about one of my favorite features of electric vehicles. That is regenerative braking. First of all, I'll let you know I've heard some local salespeople talk about regenerative braking, and some of them believe that regenerative braking needs the brake pedal to be pressed. That is not true. The driver only needs to reduce or remove pressure on the accelerator pedal for regenerative braking to begin to engage. During regenerative braking, the motors that were causing the wheels to turn begin to behave as little generators, generating power back to the power supply. And because they are now taking power from the wheels, that puts additional drag on the vehicle speed, causing the vehicle to slow down or brake, hence the term regenerative braking. In my vehicle, and I assume in other vehicles, regenerative braking will engage long enough to maintain the set speed when cruise control is turned on. Now, on the highways and streets in North Carolina, there are many minor elevation changes. When traveling over these changes with cruise control on, the vehicle's computer will sense what power draw is needed to maintain that set speed. If necessary, it will engage regenerative braking. In my vehicle, the number displayed under total power, you will see that in the center of the screen, in the center of the video. Total power shows the power draw from the batteries while driving. Now, this is important. Different vehicles will indicate regenerative braking in different ways, depending upon the automaker. In this car, when regenerative braking is on, there's a minus sign in front of the number indicating that regenerative braking is engaged, or that power is being fed back to the batteries. I'll go ahead and start the video. This video will show regenerative braking coming on as needed with cruise control on. You see from time to time, the numbers under total power will vary. Sometimes they will have a negative sign in front of them. Sometimes they will not. When you see the negative sign in this video, that's an indication that regenerative braking is engaged. The value of that negative number will vary according to how strong regenerative braking is engaged, or the strength of regenerative braking. I decided to record on this specific section of the highway because it goes through several slight elevation changes in a short distance, and I could demonstrate regenerative braking while on cruise control. Regenerative braking functionality demonstrates something that a gas-powered vehicle cannot do: feed fuel back to its own tank. In this case, the tank is the battery. While driving down Kings Mountain 3 different times, I've seen my EV range actually increase because I was going downhill for such long periods of time. And that is it for this demonstration. I just wanted to demonstrate regenerative braking in action. Thank you for watching.